Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volt cordless line trimmer. Here you can see the exact model. I'll link it down below in the description. This has a cut radius of 25 to 30 centimeters and it uses a 1.6 millimeter cord or line for the trimming. And I guess this means 20 minutes runtime. It came with a 2 amp hour battery, but be careful because you can find these without a battery and with a battery. So the head does tilt, and that means that you can use it for trimming your grass or also for edging your grass. So it tilts in that way. And you can also fit one of these lawn trimming blades on it. So I already checked it, it does fit on this model. So it comes with this handle and you can switch the handle position, just unscrew it a bit and then you can switch the position. And on the head here you can tilt the head 180 degrees by pulling here and then twisting. So then you can go from trimming to edging, and here you can tilt the head into 3 different positions. So just for normal trimming, the number 2 here is fine. So it is a bit loud. So all in all, I'm quite happy with it thus far. If you have one, please let me know down below in the comments what are your experiences of using it. Thanks for watching.